Usong kono jong ka yeng dor bar thawan ka jala Meghalaya uba Thomas e sama ole thu pai ba Mynta ka sngi ya ka jing Pyniasoh lang jong ke laingot ke MLA jong ka Indian National Congress Shaka National People Party u Gabriel Walang uba mi khmat uba de MLA jong ka Nongstoin constituency u Charles Marngar uba mi khmat na ka Mahati constituency but Dr. Celestine Lengdo uba mi khmat na ka Umsting constituency ke la Pyniasoh lang bat ka NPP da ka mon ka balai loi ka jongki jongki set hapo ka assembly ka jing patha jong speaker ka balapan mi Mynta ka sngi kalong hadin ka jing penshisha shimet jongki MLA ya ka application jongki ka balapan tikna ya ka jing tumo jongki ban Pyniasoh bat ka NPP hak ka per 4th of the 10th schedule jong ka riti sensor jong kari India kene ka jing Pyniasoh jongki ni ki laingot ke MLA sha ka NPP ka lapan long ya ka jing penduna ya ka jing don ke MLA jong ka sang INC hapo ka assembly ubadang sa Mynta ha kaliang ka parsha uba Roni V Lengdo kite ke laingot ke MLA barem ke la Pyniasoh yala desha ke NPP Mynta ka sngi ha ka jinglang ka bala don lang daw menteri rangba ka jala badu president ka NPP national u kontrat ke sama u president ka jala badu sambut menteri rangba ka jala ba preston tensong badu national general secretary badu deputy CM musio bhalang dahar harangkat kiwe rangba nang yalam bat ki dikhat ka party NPP.
So in the last few days everyone has been wondering, 2 MLAs are suspended. What about the third one? I chose to keep silent. And when I look here, in the first row, 90% are ex-congressmen. Actually, there is nothing new between us here. It is a journey that we all take, and we decide to go right or left when we see the journey to the right is less beneficial to the people who represent. Situation demands that we should take the left road. This is the situation that we three decided to take. It is not that this right side, the road on the right is totally bad or has gone wrong. No, that road is still there. But for the benefit of the people who have elected us to bring changes and development that we also want to show, we have decided to take the road on the left.
My deepest appreciation goes to one of the veteran, senior-most leader in the state, who is my mentor, my guru, I should say, Dr. Didi Lapang, whose guidance and mentorship have been invaluable. His encouragement to join the NPP has been a significant factor in my decision. Today, I am delighted to announce that I am not joining this party alone. I'm not joining alone, but as part of a dedicated team from Mahati constituency. This morning, I met
Honorable President, Sir President Tensong, Deputy Chief Minister, Kajilong President Jompi, Nadu Bangidon Congress, Kilong Ubreu Balakloy, Masultanan, Bakloy Bunirap, Banagin Skep, Bakajinga Don Lang, Samantale, Milang Rapantri, Kamaju, Nakabanta, Kajala, Yachumi. Kumjo ay kulay, yung Deputy Chief Minister, Nyobalan, Kajing Khat Barobor Kajumpi, Kajing Pendong, Parlop Kajumpi, Man Kapuar Kapunya Kendo, But Man Bayu Ibizong Balipi. Balai Piquamo ya karoy ko para ko konsensi. Balai Pisak Barobor Sultan Kamap. Ikintin Kijumpi Ipenlong yang aman berkat janai. Wanong Kalade Sisha. Nakabenta ka Nongstoin konsensi. Ngadon kam ban sacrifice lagi. Ban sya kenol, ban sya bain hakipan ba barok.